Hello people and welcome back to Caugh on DashCam channel, a channel that features some of the craziest road encounters ever caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy moments, so make sure to stick till the end. Without any further ado, let's jump right into this episode. The driver on the right side of the camera thought she was special and she could take a left from the straight only right lane, divided by orange sand barrels.
Well, this maybe is not too surprising. Dr. is putting limited.
This is why it's really so important to use mirrors in traffic. Indicating does not give you the right of way as well.
They played at AT&T Stadium on Saturday afternoon. Mavs a winner on the road last night up at Minneapolis, while the Stars, news not as good, they lose on home ice to the Edmonton Oilers. That's your check on sports. I'm Steve Lamb.
Hello. Hi.
These drivers realized in the last moment that they didn't want to take a right turn. Maneuvers like these can be really dangerous. That's why you always have to keep a safe distance between you and other vehicles.
Wow. Oh, hello there. You just lost your mattress? Doesn't even realize it.
Oh well.
Now he does. Well, maybe he doesn't. He hit the brakes. Since the last time we were down here, it was like 271 or something. Really, dude?
Dude, really? Motherfucker.
Jackass.
Fox News Radio and News Talk 820 WVAD, 99.5 FM HD2, and hey, attorney, you know the folks at TGS Insurance, solve your problem.
It was after a single brief conversation. Randy and his team, they made us feel comfortable. He knew what he was talking about. More than anything, we knew that he cared and he actually wanted to help us. What
Did he really think he could go there?
I felt like we were able to breathe again.
what would you say to somebody who's on the fence
Or
about
did he get
working
run
with
off
Randy
the
and
road
guys
there?
at IrishProm.com?
Don't hesitate.
We came in here, like, it was 5 in the morning, so, you know, when we came through here last time.
Yeah. That's pretty stupid, right? That guy's pretty sketchy, man.
You gotta turn here so you can get it over. Oh my gosh.
No indicator, no nothing. 460.
And that was
Wow. that slice chop?
He goes right in front. Right in front. Let's see how many more we got. It's only a Wednesday, so it's not too bad, but it's a long line behind me, so you know how it is, people they don't care. So far we got one. What's going on? Oh, this guy want to go across, so he peeps.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed watching it. But more importantly, I hope you learned something out of these drivers' mistakes. After all, it's the main purpose of this channel to make you realize that certain things are not acceptable in traffic, so you'll avoid making them as well. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe, because it really helps this channel grow. Thank you for all your support so far, and until the next episode, drive safe and take care.